Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Again, this is me, J Milks Blog. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do a box break. Yeah, I bought a package from Lazada. Yeah, it's the Chronicles hanger box. So ito siya. So here it is. So the name of the store is Northside Collectibles. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this box breaking. And by the way, the amount of this one is 2,800. So very reasonable price. So let's go ahead and break this one up. And in front of you guys are my hit from a repack stores or repack cards from Shopee. So this one is from Lazada. And grabe, maganda talaga yung pagkakabox. Tideng, ito yun. Okay, so ito yung cards guys. So we will have a chance to pull a Zion Williamson. We will have a chance to pull a Jamorant, Zion Williamson, Rui Hachimura, Kobe White, Kendrick Nunn, and RJ Barrett. So this box is composed 30 cards per box. Yan. Look for hanger box exclusive green parallels. Don't know kung unsa nang green parallels. And look for retail exclusive limited rookie jersey auto parallels. So sana maka-hit kahit isa. And look for these random insert cards base Chronicles green. Yan, kapoy basa. So yeah, let's go ahead and start unboxing or start the box break. Of course, we're gonna use gunting. Yan guys. And the sleeves are ready, and then same routine guys. So yeah, if I know the player, I'm going to have a trivia for you. Okay, yun. Hop, mukhang may makapal. Wala. Rookie Cameron Johnson. So the first one is a rookie card by Carson Edwards. I don't know where this guy is now, kung nasa Boston pa rin ba siya. Carson Edwards. Kyrie Irving. Of course, as you know, Kyrie Irving is a champion, gold medalist in World Cup, and I don't know, Olympics. So this is another rookie card, Romeo Langford from Boston Celtics. So dalawang Boston Celtics na guys. The MVP, Finals MVP and the champion, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Okay, and then the next one is Jarrett Culver, rookie. Donovan Mitchell, James Harden. Prestige. James Harden. Then Aaron Fox. Alright. Another rookie card. Sekou Doumbouya. I really don't know about this dude. And you can see there Devin Booker. LBJ. LeBron James. Alright. Yeah, Ja Morant, my first Ja Morant, guys. So let's put this on the sleeve. Pati ito si LeBron, kahit base card lang yan, sleeve natin yan. Ja Morant. And LeBron James. So next, PJ Washington Jr. Dyan ka. Baka makapull tayo ng Zion Williamson. Who's this? Eric Pascal. Kobe White. Of course, Kobe White. Sleeves natin yan. Kobe White. Keldon Johnson. Next one is Keldon Johnson. Yan. Member siya ngayon ng US Olympic team. And this is a rookie card for Keldon Johnson. Sino to? Uy! Luka Doncic, guys. Luminance, Luka Doncic. So, as you know, hindi natin yan. Kahit second year na ni Luka. Next up is James Harden. Jordan Poole Playbook. Another rookie card. Darius Garland. Or no, Kevin Porter Jr. He's a really good player, guys. Another rookie card. Then another rookie, Darius Garland. Another rookie again, Keldon Johnson. Yan, classics, LBJ. So sleeves natin yan. Right. Another the Aaron Fox. Duha na siya kabuo. Yeah, I think duha na siya kabuo. Sa to. Ano, wala lagi. The Aaron Fox. Wala siya diri na siya diri. The Aaron Fox. Yun. Duha na siya. The Aaron Fox. Bahala ka. Next one is another rookie card of Darius Garland. Crusade. Rui Hachimura. Siguro I'm going to do a personal collection of Rui Hachimura. And of course, guys, Flux. Zion Williamson. Yay! My first Zion Williamson. Of course, we're going to put that on the sleeves. Ding. Another rookie card of Darius Garland. That's the next one. So, lagay muna natin dyan. Darius Garland. Next, Tyler Hero. Yeah, Tyler Hero. The MVP bubble. Recon, Eric Pascal. So, of course, lagay natin yung mga sa sleeve yung mga rookie na magagaling yan. Eric Pascal. Next up, green parallel. Sama ni Cameron Johnson. Alright, magaling din to. So, lagyan natin niya sa sleeve. Alright. So, just a recap guys. Okay. So, ito yung mga hit ko. So, first thing, the rookie hits. Yan. Cameron Johnson, a green parallel. Panini Marquee. By the way, these are all rookie. The one that I'm holding right now. Tyler Hero, of course. Zion Williamson. Rui Hachimura, Kobe White, and of course, Ja Morant. Syempre. 1 and 2 yan. 1 and 2. Ja Morant. And Zion Williamson. At least we have one of them each. Okay, so the next rookies, these are all rookie cards again. Eric Pascal, Recon, Darius Garland, another Darius Garland, Keldon Johnson, Darius Garland again, Kevin Porter Jr., Jordan Poole, Keldon Johnson again, Eric Pascal again, PJ Washington, which is really good, Sekou Doumbouya, Jarrett Culver, Romeo Langford, and Carson Edwards. And for those second year or something, not a rookie card, De'Aaron Fox, of course, LBJ, my guy, James Harden, of course, Luka Doncic, Luminance, and another LBJ, another De'Aaron Fox, and another James Harden, and another Donovan Mitchell, of course, Giannis Antetokounmpo, MVP, and Kyrie Irving. And yeah, just a take review. I mean, yeah, this box is a really good pool, has a really good players, and I think so bawi na ko. Salamat di ay sa mga to Northside Collectibles for the box, and I think that's it guys. So yeah, on the next vlog again. So I'm signing out. By the way, thank you for your time today. Have a great day. Adios amigos. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, J Milks Blog. Bye for now guys. Log in,